Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter of an Vauxhall Corsa E. Let's start. Open the car hood, and if you're standing in front of the car, on the left side there it is. The air box. Now we have to loosen 4 screws with a Torx wrench. 1, 2, and 3, and over there this is the 4th. Good job. Now let's loosen them. Unscrew the screws. Let's go. Yeah, good job. Job's done, as you can see. Well done. Nice. Now the next step is to disassemble this tube. Use a nut for this. In this case, we are going to handle it by our hand. Easy, as you can see. Good job. Yeah. Rotated left turn. Yeah. Now you are able to extract the tube out of the airbox. Yeah, good job. Nice and easy. Now it's time to lift up the airbox cover and rotate the airbox a little bit. Right turn, and there it is. The air filter itself. Now you are able to remove the filter. Good job. Old filter disassembled. Now clean the box a little bit, and it's time for the new air filter. Oh yeah. Push the new air filter in position. Press it down and have a look on the edges. Does it fix? Well, then job's done with assembling the new air filter. Now rotate back the airbox cover and lock it on the left side in these edges. Oh yeah, good job. 1, 2, 3 edges. Good, these are the locks. Now push the tube back in position. Yeah, gentle and push it back. Good job. And a little bit more. Now it's locked again. Oh, now take or tighten the screw on again with a nut and have a look that all the edges are in position. This matches, as you can see. Good job. Now time to reassemble. Use the nut and rotate it. Right turn to tighten it. Yeah, by hand, and later maybe by socket wrench. Yeah, this little nut is awesome. Good job. Wow. Reassembling done. Yeah, this is tightened. Okay, next step is tighten the 4 screws of the air box again. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's number 2 again. There's number 3. The screws are tightened, and this we are going to tighten now by using a wrench. Yeah. Now use the little nut again with a wrench to tighten this again. Good job. Now we are ready to go back on the streets again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.